लाइट एक और जगह है। जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे मालिक। With the blessings of Guruji Maharaj, today I am going to read page number 73 to 75 of Guruji's blessed Granth Light of Divinity. Page 73. A man is saved on his deathbed. A family had been followers of the Radha Swami for the past 45 years. One of them, Ashok Grover, was a devotee of Guruji. He received a call from his uncle that his father was on his deathbed and rushed home immediately. The father was hiccuping badly. The doctor declared that nothing could be done. Ashok, remembering Guruji all the while, rushed his father to Apollo Hospital, Delhi, where he was admitted in the ICU. His blood sugar level was found to have touched 700. His intestines had stopped functioning and his hiccups were dying down, as was he. Doctors declared that there was no hope. The patient should be taken back. Just then, Ashok sensed that he was not required in the hospital, that his father was all right, and there was nothing to worry about. He also had to leave for urgent work. Ashok thus left his father in the hospital without any attendant. He was occupied for 2 days and could not even call up the hospital. When he returned to the hospital, he found his father crying. He thought his father was depressed as he had been left alone. But Ashok was surprised when his father only asked him whether he had gone to Guruji. His father narrated how the moment his son had left him, he had felt Guruji's presence through his fragrance. Guruji said, "ਹੋਰ ਵਈ ਰਾਧਾ ਸਵਾਮੀਆ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ? How are you, dear Radha Swami follower?" The father said that though he had prayed to Babaji of Radha Swami, it was Guruji who had come to his rescue. Guruji then asked him to get the test done. The investigations went on 2 days. All this time Ashok's father felt Guruji's presence. When the reports came, the doctors were not able to detect any disease and were incredulous of their investigations. They recommended an insulin dose, but Ashok's father refused. He said he didn't believe in their remedies and would henceforth entrust himself only to the biggest doctor, Guruji. After 1 week, Ashok's father came to Guruji. The Satguru said that the same words, "Hor vai Radha Swamiya, ki hal ne tere?" and told him that he had been granted a new life. After seeing how Guruji saved the family patriarch's life, all the family members began coming to Guruji and now believe that they all are in safe hands of God Himself, saving the devotees' business. Guruji once commanded Ashok to close his business, sell the factory, and do away with the machines. Ashok knew that this was his command and had to be obeyed. It took him around 15 days to sell off everything. The old machines were sold at the buying price and the entire sale broke even. No one was able to foresee why Guruji had asked Ashok to act thus. 3 weeks down the line, the business was declared outdated and many incurred heavy losses. But Ashok was saved by God Himself. Obeying Guruji always pays, because He will only ask us to do something which is best for us. Heading a 10 years old wishes. The 10-year-old daughter of Ashok, involved in preparation at Bade Mandir for Guruji's birthday in 2005, desired intensely to have Guruji's darshan. Ashok requested a long-time devotee to bring his daughter to the temple. She came to Bade Mandir but was insistent that she go to Guruji at Empire State as well. However, no one took her to Guruji. The girl kept crying the whole night and prayed to Guruji for his darshan. The next day, to everyone's surprise, Guruji came to Bade Mandir. When Ashok told Guruji that his daughter was remembering Guruji's last night, Guruji merely smiled and told him that he had come just to see her, since she remembered him. As a result of Guruji's blessing, the girl stood first in her exams and has remained a brilliant student ever since. Satsang, as narrated of Ashok Grover. जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, अनंतम शुक्राना मेरे मालिक।